Listen, if you're looking to elevate your WooCommerce store with exceptional customer service, then we've got you covered. The LiveChat integration for WooCommerce is super easy to install. Literally click install, connect your LiveChat account, and you're ready to talk with your customers. But that's not even the best part. Out of the box, you already have one of the best LiveChat solutions on the market, and you can extend its possibilities by integrating it with over 200 tools. Multichannel? Obviously. Analytics? You bet. You can even set up meetings. Here's a real-life example. Shopping cart abandonment, the bane of all stores. With LiveChat, you can counteract shopping cart abandonment by directly engaging with customers at critical decision points. This way, you can ease any customer's doubts, making it easier for them to buy. If you're still unsure, I suggest trying it out yourself. The integration is free, and we offer a free 14-day trial for the LiveChat account with no credit card required. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take your online store to the next level. Join hundreds of successful WooCommerce store owners who are already enhancing their customer experience with LiveChat. Integrate WooCommerce LiveChat today and watch your business soar.